What's up, creators? Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how those premium cinematic product ads are made using AI, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a stunning Nike unboxing advertisement using Nextify AI, from writing the perfect prompts to generating realistic visuals and turning them into a professional commercial. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to create high-quality product ads for shoes, gadgets, fashion brands, and almost any product you can imagine. So grab your notebook, open Nextify AI, and let's get started.
Right, you head over to Nextify.ai, and when you come over to Nextify.ai, you're going to see a lot of templates that you can make use of to make your adverts. Is it static AI videos? Is it product AI? There are a lot of things. Is it anything, unboxing, POV, like so on and so, like there are a lot of things you can do. Maybe you're trying to advertise your app, you're trying to do anything, everything is right here, all in one platform. So what you're going to first do is to sign up to this platform, right? So after signing up to this platform, immediately after signing up, you are going to be given 30 credits. So note that. Now you can come to the models. There are different models right here: AI video generator, AI image video generator, and so on, products and everything like that. You can come over here and explore. So when you explore, it's very simple. Now what we need to do is to get our prompt for this video live. So now I'm going to come over to my ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that I want to generate and add this video for a particular brand, right? So this should give me just a script of what to do and everything, the prompts needed to do that. So I'm going to come over and copy the prompts, and I'm doing this for a water, right? So I'm doing it for my name, David Creative Lab. So now immediately after getting the prompt, what I'm going to do is let's copy it and see. Okay, but before doing that, let me first come over and we need the image of the product first, right? We need the image reference of the product. So I'm going to come over and tell ChatGPT to give me the image reference of this product. So after telling ChatGPT to do that for me, and you can see it gave me the image for the 3 scenes because I requested for 3 scenes, right? So now I'm going to come over to the image generation aspect, and then I'm going to paste the prompt one after the other and generate. And the beautiful part is that it does not consume much credit for generating of images, right? It does not consume so much. So now, as you can see right here, credit needed is just 0.2% credit, right? So I'm going to come over and click on generate. While we are waiting, let's go and copy the second image prompt. I come back over and paste it right here and send it over as well. Then we go again and still go and copy the final one, which is the third one, and copy everything. I just want everything to just queue and do and generate immediately once. Now, as you can see, the first one is ready. Now let's preview it and see how it looks like. Looks so amazing and so beautiful. So what we are going to do is you can come over and download this. As you can see, I've downloaded it. Now we're into this video section. What we are going to do first is we are going to upload the image reference, each image reference for it to give you the best and to follow what we need to give us exactly what we need, right? So I'm going to copy the video prompts and make sure that the image but before doing that, before starting for the video, I want the images to look like to follow I want there to be consistency. So that is why you notice that I am putting, like, I have to put the first image reference added to this to the prompt for the image 2, right? So that it can follow the same, to give us the same products in image 1, right? That is what you are seeing here. So I'm going to come over and see. As you can see, it gives us the same thing, right? So I'm going to download all the images and now come for the video aspect. Now coming to the video aspect, the ChatGPT has given us both image and video reference prompt. So I'm going to come over and make sure I'll come over and select the model for video AI, video ad generator. Now I'm just going to come over and click on the reference right here, download, upload the first image and send. And you notice here the credit needed is just 10 credits, right? So I'm going to come over and click on generate. After clicking on generate, then you see it start generating. It only takes a few minutes. Then you come back again, copy the second prompt, do that repeatedly for all the images or for all the video prompts and everything. Upload the second image reference and then click on generate. You do that for the last one or so, and we'll copy everything and head over to the and upload the reference for the third image, right? So after uploading it, I'll click on generate. Then in few minutes, everything will now be ready. So that is how simple it is to create ads video now using Nextify AI, right? So now I download everything to my device. Now let's try another model. Let's try unboxing POV. Like, it's very simple. Now come over to ChatGPT again and tell ChatGPT that I want to do unboxing video for the particular product. Let's look for Nike. So I'm going to come over and paste it right there, and you can see ChatGPT has given us the prompt already. So let me come over and copy the prompts. It even gives us the negative prompt, so let's just do that. And then let's come over. Okay, but before doing that, let's tell ChatGPT to help us with the image prompt, right? Let's first generate the image prompt so that we can upload it to Nextify, and Nextify will do the magic, right? So I'll come over and click on the let's first go and get the image at first, then I click on generate. After generating the image, then let's click on generate and wait for a little minute, like for it to be ready. So while we are waiting for that, let's download our previous videos and then see the outcome of the POV, right? This is beautiful. So now download the POV, the unboxing POV, then you now go to the unboxing part and upload the image, right? So after uploading the image, you are going to see that it's going to tell you to select templates, right? So you come over and select templates on the desk that the box is supposed to be placed on, right? So after selecting it, then you are going to see I haven't selected it yet. So let me select one template and look for just any template. Since it's a shoe, let me go for this and click on add template. Then you click on generate. Also, this one just consumes 3 credits, right? Then you click on generate. In few minutes, it will also be ready. So that is how to create this. You can explore this tool and see all the beautiful things you can use right here. It's very simple and very easy to use, and I'm very sure this is gonna help you.
And that's how you can create a premium, scroll-stopping product advertisement using Nextify AI. I hope this tutorial gave you practical techniques you can apply to your own projects and clients. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials, prompt engineering tips, and content. And that covers our content creation strategies. Thanks for watching, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.